I'm not gonna lie, I've already done 16 jobs of my choosing, have made $1,000. You get checks sent to you via email and they'll go ahead and, pay you within 30 to 45 days. So it's a nice business to have, and I wish I would have thought of this a long time ago. Hey Mark, I just wanted to thank you for putting out the LSS course out there. It has really helped me out. I took it to do a part-time job, basically after work, after I get off at work at 4 o'clock in West Palm, Florida, and I absolutely love it. I took the course a year ago and I just dragged my feet on it, and I wish I didn't, because I literally kicked it off, just jumped right into it on 3/14. And as of 7/15, I've already done 16 jobs of my choosing, have made $1,000. I could have gotten more if I didn't have my full-time job. These were all after work or on a weekend. Pretty easy. I felt confident from your course. A lot of people are very friendly and nice, and anyone who's on the fence about taking the course or on the fence about just like afraid to pull the trigger, just do it, take the course, pay attention. He really has good info in there. Get on Signing Order or SnapDocs, and that's how you get out there. Thanks again.